Right here, the truck back. Primary natives are out here. Spot who truck back. Mark this. Can have one of you guys with a long hook out this gable vent on the outside just to make sure that trap smoke gets out and it's out there above our head.
Who's on rescue 2? Who's on rescue 2? Anybody here on rescue 2?
Right here. One guy right here.
You're saying there's more than one rescue 2 here. They're trying to figure out which one it is.
We got 742.
742?
Yeah, that's all government. God damn, 547. God damn it. Did you expect anything different than
When I told you up front, I'm like, oh good, he's staying here up on the side. Hey, that was good because everybody got the hook out. To the drive, pulled right ass. That's it. I was going to drop it at the driveway and say, fuck it, you got it. I had it right there.
What else we got there?
Jason, you see my hook over there? Nope. I put it down to help get him up on that refrigerator. Hey, anybody see my hook? Oh, we wasn't worried about water now. Fuck.
This one?
Yeah.
Which one you look for?
We were just burning. That's okay. Let's go.
We got one guy from 742 from Wheaton here.
Down the line.
Hang out with Ryan. He's going to pop that refrigerator.
Truck 1011, operating Division 1. Tony, what do you want?
1011.
1011.
Okay, I need for you to come out.
Truck 11 crew, we need lights. Side out. Hey, let's run some lights to the rear of the house. Okay?